to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a ton of cases from Clayco, which I believe this is my first or second time, no, first time doing this brand. But these are the full iPhone 12 lineup cases. We have the new Argus and the Forza series, which actually are very interesting and I really like them. I already opened most of them up. We have the 12 Pro, Pro Max, the 12 and 12 mini cases here. So without further ado, let's get into it straight away. I'm going to start with the Argus series. Alright, so we're going to do the Argus 6.7 inch for the, basically the 12 Pro Max. This is the black variant, which is more of like a grayish, but looks really nice. So the phone, I actually thought it was going to be a big phone. It's actually like a good size. It's not too big. Obviously when you're typing and stuff, I'm not sure. I might get the Pro Max or the Pro, which is a big waste of money, but I don't know. I just rather try something like that. So right here you have a little credit card holder or money holder, basically anything you want to put, and it's so minimal you can't even tell it's like there. Basically you have raised camera protection here as well. You have a button. On the bottom you have a speaker grill and the lightning port. On the other side you have the volume rockers as well as the mute switch, and on the inside you just have like some indents. They're really good at protecting. Very nice case. Once again, this is for the Pro Max. Right, next we have the Pro Max again for the purple variant. I guess we'll get all the Pro Maxes out of the way since that's the only one we can't do. So another foam protector. This is the purple variant, like I said. You have the card holder, which is really cool. You don't have to carry a wallet with you. You can just carry one credit card, which is what I would kind of do. And that's pretty much it. You got buttons right here, volume switcher, a ton of camera protection right there. So definitely protect your $1,000 phone, no problem. Next we have the Argus Black for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. As everyone knows, they are the same size. So right here, foam. Well, this is a very, it's, I don't want to say small, but it's just right size phone. It's not small. The mini is small. So like I said, this is the same size as the 12 and the 12 Pro. So they're both the same thing. This is what it looks like. Has a pretty good feel to it. On the back, you have the credit card holder as well, which obviously you can store your credit card in there. Not sure how many you can fit. I'd say probably just an emergency one. On the bottom you have speaker grill cutout as well as the microphone. And then this one did make it slightly shorter. And then you have volume rocker. You can press that, and then you have the button on and off. So you have a lot of screen protection here, as well as camera protection. Lots of camera protection, so that's really cool. This case right here. Let's get on to the next one. Last Argus series is for the purple one, and then we're going to get into the interesting ones in my opinion. These are really good looking cases. I personally like the Forza series. This is nice. Perfect fit. Same thing, screen protection, camera protection as well. You have a lot of camera protection. Just look how much camera. That's a lot of camera protection. Charging port, everything is good. Credit card, I like that slide. Very satisfying. So you have protection on your card as well. People can't really scan through that. Very clicky, responsive buttons. Very satisfying click as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is that case. Interesting ones. So we have the 5.4, the 6.1, and the 6.7 inch for the all black variant. We're gonna get into the mini first. But okay, this is a two-piece case, and like I said, this has a nice like somewhat see-through. It's a smoky black, I guess you can say. You have branding on the side, Clayco. Let's go ahead and get into this real quick, which is the smallest of the iPhones this year. There's this super small. Honestly, it's too small for me. I was gonna get the mini, but Honestly, it's just too small for me, in my opinion. It is good, but it's small. And I like that you can stand up the phones now. So cool. Let's go ahead and put this. Such a nice look. You can barely see the Apple logo, probably on camera too, but it looks so nice. You have just so nice. I love this case. This case is just nice. And then you have right here a little cutout for the mute rocker. It's enclosed, and then you have the buttons here, camera protection, as well as screen protection. It comes with a screen protector pre-installed into the case, which is really cool. And then you have cutouts for everything, as well as the speakers. You have cutouts as well as a protector. It's encased as well for the charging port, which is good because when you put it in your pocket, you don't want dust to be in that port because it will be just devastating. So I'm going to keep this case on here for now. We're going to go into the 6.1 inch. Very good size after all. All right. So like I said, same sizes. You're going to have to do the screen part first and then the case in the back. There we go. Has a nice tight seal. This will obviously help with dust. It won't be waterproof protected because this case isn't meant for water protection. For a drop rating, oh, this looks nice. So they both look really good in my opinion. I love this series. They might have different colors available. Check the links in the description, but definitely really nice. Here you have Clayco branding on the right side, and then the bottom you have charging ports. On this side you have the volume rocker as well as the protected volume. I really like that look. So good. And then for the 12 Pro Max you have the same thing, showcase, but very nice here. Really good protection. Both of these do have camera protection as well as screen protection. Very good cases. Personally, I definitely like this case. I would rock it for sure. Without further ado, this is all the cases. Now just to summarize, these are all the cases that we got. So we have the new Forza cases as well as the Argus, I believe. I like the credit card style to it. Something new and unique. Not new, something unique. Yeah, you can put your credit card, like I said, be nice and safe in there as long as you keep your phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. It's actually very similar size to the Note 20, the Pro Max. As you can see, very similar size. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I might get the Pro or Pro Max. Let me know your thoughts, which one you might get if you're getting one. I'm going to be giving away most of these cases. First family members, and then the excess will be for anyone else. That's just how life goes. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to see more case videos, I will be having more iPhone 12 cases coming up within the next few weeks, hopefully. And yeah, tons of videos will be out soon, so go check the link in the description for the products. See you guys in the next one.